I know what it's like to ask myself, what the hell am I doing? Let me explain. I had invested a lot of money in a business with a guy, and soon after working with him, realized that I had been scammed. I had already left my high-paying corporate job against the better judgment of my initial gut instinct about this guy. So I had a meeting with my attorney, expecting to embark on a legal crusade, fueled by evidence, a thirst for vengeance, and the promise of victory. I mean, I was ready. It was in that moment that my self-doubt kicked in, asking, have you learnt a $30,000 lesson? For the first time, I asked myself, what am I doing? Is this what I really want? In that moment, it wasn't the gears of justice that clicked into place. It was the realization that my error in judgment had taught me an invaluable lesson. That was a turning point. I never filed the lawsuit, but instead stepped up to the plate with the hard-earned knowledge that my self-reliance was a currency more valuable than what had been taken from me.